Hello, welcome back. In this video we will speak about navigation. We speak about it before in another video, but we will speak here by details. We speak if you need to move, you can press on the arrow on keyboard, down or up and right or left, and use control right and control left to get the last column, or control and page down to get the last arrow. Today we will speak by another way. If you select this one, you can move, but you can move until he give you this arrow for move. If he give you this arrow, you can move. Okay, like this. Control Z, Control Z. Okay, if I select this two, I can move also the package of skill. I select this and I go out until this one. After this he can move. Control Z. Okay, the other thing we need to speak about is the width of column and width of arrow or of row. I'm sorry. If I come here, this arrow, I can select all this. I can delete. Control Z. I can drop panel. Shortcut menu. If you click on right mouse, he give you this shortcut menu. Okay, you can delete. You can insert. If you insert, he will insert before this one. Control Z. If you delete, he will delete this column, and so on. You can hide or unhide or format cell. Okay, if you come here between these two column, he give you this arrow. If you select this arrow and go on the right, he will make this bigger. If you come here and select on the left, he makes this one to return. Okay, by the same way you can make here for the arrow, for the row, like this or this, and you can select and delete or insert, and if you insert, it will be above. For column is before and for row is above. Okay, Control Z. Okay, the other thing we need to speak about is short menu, and you saw it before. If you click here and make right click, he gave you short menu, but this for ribbon. Okay, and if you come for this, I will tell you how you insert this picture and click right, he gave you another short menu. Okay, if you come here and click, he have another short menu, and if you go to chart and click new, it is another short menu. Thank you. Today finish.